Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can find Galaxy Wearable on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. In order to find it, we need to go to the settings, and then in the settings open connected devices. And finally over here we need to scroll down and we will find Galaxy Wearable. If we enter this option, then we will see this welcome message where we can press continue. And then over here, if you see this, you need to grant permission for nearby devices. So if we go to the settings, then over here tap permissions, then choose nearby devices, and then we need to allow. You might also just need notification. You might also see notification over here at the bottom of the screen, but essentially you need to grant access to that. So let's go back to the Galaxy Wearable. Let's press continue. And let's see what happens. And now we are scanning for devices to add. So that's pretty much it. Once you find the device, then you should be able to select it and then pair it with your Galaxy S24 Ultra. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.